Hi, my name is Jill Yesko, and this is Sandy Kuchman from Discover Organizing. We are professional organizers that know that it is very easy to get distracted in your efforts to get organized. So we have a couple of tips for you, a do and a don't. The do is for you to put a basket or a receptacle by a doorway so that when you start sorting and going through things and making decisions, you have a place to put the things you want to donate. What do you not want to do, Sandy?
You don't want to run through the house delegating where that donation piece is going to go. You want to have everything by the door so it's very streamlined, and at the end of your organizing session, you can pick up those bins, take them to where they need to be.
So when I distribute this plant to my kitchen, I don't need to do it right away because I don't want it in the room that I'm organizing in, and it's an item I want to keep. So I'm going to take the plant to the kitchen at the end of our organizing and decluttering session.
To avoid distractions.
To avoid distractions. That's our organizing tip for today.